Hello. Yeah, hi Bhushan. Welcome to the channel. So please give me 5 minutes of time. So once enough people got joined, I will start the session. Okay. So please keep okay. So please stay in live session. So I will come in 5 minutes. Okay. I will be in front of my system only, but I am waiting for enough people to join for this session. Okay. Please try to understand. We will start. So I know it's already 8 o'clock in the evening. So just now I have finished my work just 20 minutes back, and immediately I jumped into the session. So we can wait for a few more people to join. So once enough people join, so we can discuss about what is Jenkins and how we can download and how we can configure. Okay. So please. Yeah, hi Bhushan. Thank you so much for your patience. So let me close the open door and I will come back in only 2 minutes. Okay, now the time is 8:04. So before 8:06 p.m. I will be interacting with you people. Okay, so please. Yeah, okay. So thank you so much, Bhushan. And if anyone joined before I joined now, so thank you so much for your support. And also, our videos are getting a very good response. So that is all because of you people only. Okay. So once our channel get reached to 1K subscribers, so I am going to conduct mock interviews the next minute. Like it will take 1 or 2 days. So on creating an account of behalf of us. So once that is done, so the next minute I am going to conducting the mock interviews as well. So for all the people who are experienced as well as who are looking for the job and also who are completed their graduations like 1 year before or 2 years before, where they are not working currently. Okay, we can consider them as freshers only. Okay, no problem. But to achieve that one, before that we have to first reach our channel from this 700 subscribers to 1k subscribers. So then only it will looks good. If we don't have 1k subscribers, then again we are conducting some mock interviews means, so people will think in different way. Okay, not in terms of the people who are watching, but there will be some people. Okay, so try to understand why I am telling this many times. So please guys, please try to support all our videos, and also please share all our videos if you found any one of the video which is helping to you currently. Okay, so that our channel will also reach 1k subscribers, and also we can able to conduct our mock interviews from our channel only. Okay, so whether it is for freshers or experienced also, I am going to conducting the mock interviews. So please help on this. Okay, please help on this, where our channel needs to be get first 1k subscribers. So then only I am going to conduct the mock interviews. So that is the first step, and that is our first target once our channel reach to 1k subscribers. Okay, so now my voice is audible for everyone. So please let me know from the live chat, and also if you are facing any difficulties with mic, means there is some buzz sound, if it is hearing more, please let me know that one as well, because my mic I keep very close to my mouth, so that's why you can listen some buzz sound as well along with my voice. So please guys, if you have any questions or doubts, please feel free to ping in the live chat. Okay, so because of this, yesterday also I am not able to continue the session because no one joined. The people joined later, but they are not able to reply me. I don't know what is the reason, but whenever I am explaining something like 10 to 20 minutes continuously, the next minute if I ask something, please respond from your end, so that I will also get some interest to explain you more. If you don't respond, means even I am also not feeling well to continue the stream. Okay, because you have to know, okay, why this is happening. Please try to understand, and please try to interact with me whenever I am giving some time for you, whether the doubt is clear or not, or if you have any queries, or are you able to listen my voice or not, something likewise I will ask in between. So please try to respond for those. Okay, please try to respond for those questions at least, so that I will get some interest to continue this session till the end, before we are not going to complete the entire session. Okay, so now it's okay, right? So you are not able to listen any buzz sound or something like that when I am speaking, right? Okay, so for description part I am not showing anything. So whenever we are going to download that particular which one, where file, okay, during that time only I am going to show you the browser. Okay, so now also I can show you, no problem. So let me open see, currently I opened notepad file, right? Okay, so once the explanation completed from here, I will take you to downloading part of Jenkins. Okay, so now the first question here is, how many of you aware about the Jenkins with the help of Selenium? So please let me know how many of you know how to use Jenkins. Before that, what is a Jenkins? Please let me know from the live chat, guys. Please let me know, and also your interaction with me will be helpful for me, okay, to continue the session. Please try to understand what is a Jenkins here. Okay, what is a Jenkins? So please put your answers in the live chat. Please put your answers in the live chat, guys, so that I will also get some motivated by you. Accordingly we will continue the session. Okay, please respond with me accordingly. We are going to continue the session. Okay, completely new. I am working on Git pipeline. Okay, no, that is a different concept, right? Git is some different one, and this Jenkins is different one. Okay, so please guys, if any one of you know, please, what is a Jenkins? First of all, I want to know from your end, so that we can start the session from beginning, like what is Jenkins and how to download the Jenkins and how to configure Jenkins. Okay, so here, continuous integration tool. Yeah, there is one more name called as continuous integration tool. Okay, that is fine. Yeah, very good answer, VVS Narayana. Thank you so much for visiting the channel, and please follow all our videos what we are uploading from our channel, which will helpful for you at least during your interviews or when you are working. Okay, so please guys, please respond for my question. Okay, so please, okay, if you don't have any answers, so now I am going to start the session now, no problem. If you have any other questions, I mean if you have any other answers, so please let me know in the live chat. Okay, please let me know in the live chat if you have any other answers from your end. Okay, we have CI/CD pipeline where we executed our script to Git pipeline, sir. Here CI/CD tool means I think you are using some Azure DevOps kind of thing, right, Bhushan? Let me know if I am correct or not. Okay, you are using some Azure DevOps where we can build our script from that particular Azure DevOps tool. Okay, okay, sure. Okay, first let me discuss about theoretical part. So how, I mean what is a Jenkins here? So first of all, Jenkins is a open source tool to perform the continuous integration and build automation. Okay, please note it down when I am explaining the concept. It will be useful for you. Okay. So Jenkins is a open source tool to perform the continuous integration and build automation. So here continuous integration and build automation means without manual interaction, okay, without manual interaction, Jenkins will create the test cases at a particular time. Okay, here continuous integration and build automation means without manual interaction, Jenkins execute the test cases at a particular time. Okay, so for example, I will tell you one scenario. Okay, I will tell you one scenario. So there is a team where the team is containing almost six testers. Okay, six automation testers who are working on a some XYZ project. Okay, so out of 6 members, 3 are working from morning 10 a.m. to in the evening 7 p.m. Okay, so they have logged in with their timings and they automated some test cases and they took some logout after 7 p.m. because their working times are over. Okay, their office working hours are completed. Then the remaining 7 people are there, right? So the remaining 3 people are there, right? So these 3 people are login at 7 p.m. to till 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay, 7 p.m. to till 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay, because the project what they are working means that is some kind of US based product, okay, or US based project. So to interact with the US based clients, there should be these people have to interact with the on-site team, right? So instead of the first 3 members, these 3 people are going to continue where the first three people are left off their work. So during this time, these 3 have to communicate with the US based clients as well, right? So during this time, so whatever the scripts are done by the morning shift team members, that is from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. So these 3 people are continuing by taking their work. Okay, the remaining 3 people who are working from 7 p.m. to till 3 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so during this time, these night shift people are have to interact with the on-site team, including the morning shift people also. Okay, so if client wants to run all the test cases, okay, if client wants to run all the test cases at 4 a.m. in the morning, okay, so once these night shift people also take some logout from 3 a.m. to till the United States night time, there won't be any people who run the test cases, okay, who run their automated test cases. So during this time, so how the client will run the test cases? First of all, he don't know how to run the test cases. So during this time, how the client will execute the automated test cases to see the results. Okay, to see the results, how that client will execute the test cases, right? So during this time it is not possible to execute the test cases. So for that reason only there is a tool that is called as Jenkins to be introduced, which means if you are not in office during your absence, so automatically we can put all our scripts and we can execute all our scripts from the Jenkins tool. That is called as continuous integration tool, that is called as CI tool, which means continuous integration tool. Okay, the main advantage here is the time scheduling. Okay, the client or the team members who worked till 3 a.m., they are going to schedule all their automated test cases for execution with the help of Jenkins. So once the execution got completed, the client will take the test results. So the next day when these people are going to log in, before that only that execution got completed, so that these say, 6 members also going to open the executed test results. So how many tests got passed, how many tests got failed. Okay, so for that reason only this Jenkins tool have introduced into the market. Okay, so here that's why we are calling it as a continuous integration and build automation tool. Okay, so are you clear till this point? Please let me know from the live chat, guys, because it is very important session. So again I am telling, so don't miss out the session until configuration part. If the remaining part, if anything is there, we will discuss it on tomorrow. If time permits, we can discuss on today itself. If not, we can take this on tomorrow as well, no problem. But my intention is the concept have must and should have to be understand by everyone, the people who are watching currently. And also please share this video to your friends or colleagues so that they will also aware about this concept when they are attending for interviews. Okay, so please ping me in the live chat, are you able to understand this till this point or not? Please respond in the live chat. Okay, please guys, please respond in the live chat. So first of all, Jenkins is a open source tool to perform the continuous integration and build automation. So you can take the same scenario what I mentioned here. If no one is there in your office during that time, client wants to execute all your test cases. So by end of that execution, he needs to get that report, right? So during this time no one is there, so how he will get the test results along with the report? With the help of Jenkins tool only. Okay, while taking the logout, these three members will configure all their test cases, including their morning shift timing candidates also. These three people will attach and they will go for Jenkins tool. Okay, so once the execution got completed, the client can able to see the results. At the same time, the next day morning, the morning shift people will log into their work and they will get the test results as well. At the same time, the 7 p.m. team members also will log in. They will also go through all the test results, how many pass or how many fail. Okay, for this reason only we are mainly using this Jenkins. That's the reason why this tool got introduced into the market. Okay, so that is the description part of Jenkins. So later I will tell you how to schedule. Okay, what is the syntax for scheduling some jobs from the Jenkins? Suppose if I want to schedule a job from today night, that is at 10 p.m. Okay, 10 p.m. So till how many days I want to run the same test cases? Okay, we can mention with the help of one syntax. I will discuss later in this video. Okay, so please try to understand the concept. First we will see how to install the Jenkins. Okay, how to install the Jenkins, first we will see. So let me share my screen. So as of now here you are watching only my notepad, right? So here is the URL. Okay, so here is the URL to download the Jenkins. Okay, let me maximize a little. Okay, so here, yeah, this is our URL. First let me take you to this URL. Okay, so let me hit let me show you that part as well. Okay, let me show you that part as well. So here text file, right? Yeah, so now are you able to see my screen currently? Okay, right, are you able to see my screen, right? So please respond from the live chat, guys. If I am missing anyone, please. Okay. So now we will go to this site that is called as www.jenkins.io/download/. Okay, so this is the URL, so where we can download our Jenkins. Okay, so first open this URL, and if you scroll down, you can see there is some past releases option. Okay, if you scroll down here, there is some past releases option. You can see here there is some stable LTS. So here LTS means long term support. Okay, here LTS means long term support. Under this we have past releases. Okay, under this we have past releases. Let me increase a little so that you can easily look into it. Okay, so it will be easy for you. So here I am going to click on the past releases from the stable LTS. Here LTS means long term support. Okay, so here let me click on this past releases. Okay, so these are the different var packages. So I will tell you the difference between var file and jar file also, but not in this session, because due to we have very less time now, so that's why I'm not going to discuss about this var and jar files now. Okay, so now, okay, so now here, once if I click on that var, once if I click on that LTS, that is long term support, so here we have some click on latest. Okay, so we can see some latest option here if we have, or we can go to the latest version only, no problem. So here you can see the latest. Okay, click on this latest. Okay, getting right. So once if we click on, okay, let me show you one more time. Once if we click on this past releases, okay, which is present under LTS, that is long term support. So once if you click on that link, it will take you to this var stable URL, you can see here. So then you can go to latest. Okay, so here let me zoom it a bit here a little, so you can see there is one latest. Okay, there is one latest link is available, so click on this latest link. So then it will show you the latest Jenkins var file. So which one do we need to select? So we have to select this jenkins.var file. Okay, we need to select this jenkins.var file. Okay, so it is taking more time actually, so I have already installed. So before that, if you have any questions, so please ask me from the live chat, guys, so I will respond to you. Please feel free to ping in the live chat if you have any queries. Okay, until it is going to download, right? It is taking more time, I guess. So otherwise what I will do, I have deleted one download. I have already downloaded this jenkins.var file, so let me find that one so that we can save our time here. Okay, wait, give me a moment. Var file, right? Sorry, recycle bin. Okay, from here I can find that one, recycle and Jenkins. Yeah, it was there, and let me restore. Okay, so now let me stop this downloading. Okay, let me stop this downloading one. Okay, so now what I did, okay, let me go to my PC and open the downloads. Sorry, Lenovo, right? Yeah, Lenovo, under Lenovo, Windows C, Lenovo, download. Okay, downloads. And now I am searching for that file, guys. Please open file location. Okay, Jenkins. Okay, yeah, let me share my screen now. Let me share my screen so that we can find it. So what I did here, I will show you. Okay, please. So what I made changes here. So actually I downloaded already. Here you can see this file, right? So actually I have downloaded already this file. So now once it got downloaded, what we need to do, so now I am telling installing the Jenkins. Once it got installed, we have to configure this Jenkins on our machine. So for this, what we need to do, so just wherever your download is completed, go to that folder and press cmd here and press cmd. So here you will get this command prompt here, right? So for that, java hyphen which one hyphen jar, okay, this is the command. Then jenkins dot var file, okay, java hyphen jar jenkins dot jar file, okay. So it is giving some error here. So or else what I will do, what happened, something happened guys. So unfortunately I am not able to download this one. So let me download. It went to PDF, right? So what I will do now, it was not there. So let me download this one then. Okay, it is taking time, so that's the reason why I told you wait for some time. So actually I forget to download it before the stream. So anyway it is going to download. Before that, if you have any questions, so please ask me from the live chat guys. So once it get downloaded, we will start our session. We are running our smoke scripts in bulk there. I thought same has been done in Jenkins also. Yes. What is the difference between Jenkins and Git pipeline? So here Jenkins is for continuous integration tool only, right, as we discussed so far. But Git pipeline means, so what you are doing, see from Azure DevOps I will tell you. So inside Azure DevOps, okay, anyway you have your Eclipse, right? Anyway you have your Eclipse. So what you are doing, so once if your project, I mean if you automated like 6 test cases today, so what you are doing, by end of the day you are pushing your code to one local branch. So right, so once if a team lead get that local branch, so he is going to review the all of your test cases, right? So once he done with his review, so then he is going to push all these code by doing some merge with the master branch, right? So some merge with the master branch. So now after merging by your lead, so this master branch is containing the latest code, right? So this master branch is containing the latest code, okay. So this master branch is containing the latest code, okay. So now there is a one team, so where the team will configure your branch to that particular Azure DevOps, okay. So where this particular team, that is DevOps team, is going to configure your master branch code to that particular pipeline where it is present inside that Azure DevOps tool, okay, or Azure DevOps application. So once if you go to that Azure DevOps application, so there we are going to search with our which one project to build our job from that particular job from that particular Azure DevOps, right? So once if you find your repository inside that Azure DevOps, so there you need to, if before going to build your job from Azure DevOps, we need to set up some parameters, whether you want to run it from Maven project along with IE browser, or Maven project with Edge browser, or Maven project with Safari, or Maven project with Chrome browser, okay. So once if you set all those variables inside that Azure DevOps, there is one more step where we are going to set whether our browser is headless browser or not. If that is headless browser, we need to select an option from that particular variables where we define that to headless browser. If that is not a headless browser, you can disable that one. Okay, so then you are going to click on your build option is there. Once if you click on that build button, so then automatically your job will starts the execution all your programs at server side, that is from Azure DevOps side. Okay, that is from Azure DevOps side. So once that build got completed successfully, on the same window you will get some tabs like how many tests and errors. If there are any errors, you will get that errors tab, so saying that on which package and which class it is failing along with the error details. Okay, if everything got passed, you don't get this error tab to see the result. Yes, yes, if that is if that is not having any errors, you don't see that errors tab. If you have any errors, it will show you the exact errors based upon your project framework structure. So what is the folder name, where exactly that package is located, sorry, what is the package name, where exactly your folder got located, inside that where is your class exactly got located, on which line your your test case is failing. So these details you will get inside that that errors tab. Okay, so you will find the test results as well. Okay, you will find the test results as well, including what is the test results percentage for this particular job. Okay, what is the test result percentage for this particular job. So you will get how many tests got passed and how many tests got failed. So based upon that, it will give you the overall percentage. For example, if there are out of 100 test cases, if there are 20 test cases are failing, it is give you, it will give you like 80% tests are passed. Okay, but you are not able to see the report inside your Azure DevOps. Okay, if you want to see your Azure DevOps report, means we need to access one test machine. Okay, we need to access one test machine. So where that test machine is configured with this particular, which one, Azure DevOps pipeline or building job. Okay, so then only you can able to see the execution part which is going to happen from Azure DevOps. So that execution you can find it from the test machine. Okay, if your project is configured with any one of the report like extent report or HTML report or TestNG report, what kind of report it will be, you can get the same report from that particular test machine. Okay, which means the execution what you kept, that is executing from the server side only. Okay, that is executing from the server side. So in this way we can see all our test results along with the reports, but you are not able to see the report from that particular Azure DevOps. Yes, yes, extent reports only. So here also inside our extent report there are different tabs. If you remember what I am telling, if you know what I am telling, there are different tabs, like we can create or we can create that test tag, and also we can assign some categories, and also we can print all our environment details, and also we can generate with some different dashboards. So these are all the many features we have inside our extent reports. Okay, so that's the reason why nowadays these extent reports are still using by many projects. Okay, even there are so many reports, that is KLOV reporter and also Allure report, and also many reports are available, but mainly the projects are using this extent report only. It is very useful for even non-technical people also to understand. Yes, so it is taking more time, I don't know. So what I will do now, tell me guys what I will do. So actually, so let me open that recycle bin. Let me Jenkins, it is not there now. Why it is went to Adobe? Guys, do you know how to convert it back to WAR file? Do you know guys? Please help me on this one, because it is taking more time for downloading. Still it is showing 6 more minutes left. Anyway, if you have any queries, please discuss with me. I will be there to help you. So Bhushan, what you are expecting, I fulfilled those answers up to my knowledge. If you found that useful, please feel free to ping in the live chat. If you have any queries, not only with Bhushan, the other people who are watching the live stream, please feel free to ping in the live chat until this download is going to complete. We can discuss. Okay, later once it got downloaded, we will discuss further about this Jenkins configuration. Okay, let me go to this. Yeah, it went to this one. Now what I will do? Open with, which will help now. Choose another app. Please suggest me on this one, guys. So how to do this one? I am extremely sorry, guys. You have to choose open with. Okay. How to do this one? Yeah, please, guys. If you have any knowledge about this one, so because previously it is showing .var file only, right? But it converted into something else. Extensions, properties, change. Anyone know about this one? Anyone know, guys? Anyone of you know about this one? Yeah, any other questions, please feel free to ping in the live chat. Okay, okay. As of now, everything is clear, right, Nani Star? So what I discussed so far. Yeah, please give me some time, guys, or let me check. How to convert PDF to WAR file or other supported file. Simple and easy. Upload ever PDF file, start PDF to WAR3, download ever WAR file, convert helper.net. Convert helper.net, we will see here. He can able to help us or not, we will see. Free online converter, upload, and which one? Windows C, this PC, Lenovo. What? Downloads, still downloading. Any other questions, please ask me from the live chat. Sorry, guys, it is taking a bit of time. So unfortunately, I clicked on that PDF format. So that's why it is taking time for me to show you. Once it get downloaded only, then only we can see this file, right? Yeah. I don't know, today internet is a bit slow. So please, if you have any other questions, please let me know from the live chat. Okay. So let me let it downloaded. It is almost downloaded. So once it get downloads, we will see. Okay, please, guys, please try to understand. So I came here to explain you more about this Jenkins, but unfortunately it happened. Okay, so let me do it. Upload also it is not showing. Okay. What happening? Search results in download Jenkins. Okay. Control C. Which one? Where, right? Where file? Where? WA or where file? Okay. Start conversion. Okay, any other questions? Oh, it is going to convert now. Git commands. Yeah, Git commands. What you are asking, Nani, to me, or how it will be? Conversion failed. Please try again later. Okay, let it be. Let it get downloaded. We will see. I don't know. Today, very slow. The downloading progress. Actually, it is a 50 Mbps, but I don't know. Uh, Again, it is going to in that format only, bro. Choose another app. Where file? Where is where file? Okay, now it is converted. Okay, let me go to from here command prompt. Okay, so now java hyphen jar. We will see java hyphen jar. What is our file name here? Jenkins dat where file unsupported, but you are running with java 18 platform. Java requires 17. Sorry guys. When a new person joined to project all the useful commands. Yes, there are many commands from Git repository, from Git point of view, non-star. Okay, so if you want to push your code, there is some command. If you want to make some changes, there is some command. If you want to pull also, there is some command. Okay, so likewise, there are many commands to be discussed. What happened? What happened, bro? Command prompt java hyphen jar space Jenkins that war file running with Java class version 62 which is not listed. Jenkins requires Java version 17 at 18 but you are with unsupport class version. Or guys, do you have any idea about this one? Please tell me. Convert jar file to var jar file to var file. I'm extremely sorry, guys. Sorry to say this one. Unfortunately, that I clicked on that open with something. So now I don't have any solution how to fix this one. Okay, but please, guys, please try to understand. I came here to explain you a more content now, but unfortunately, it went wrong. So what to do now? What to do? How to open? How do I open a jar file? To extract it, just issue following command using the Java program like we said as not a special type. How to extract var files in Java? Jar file. What? Any other questions you can ask, guys? Any other questions if you have? Okay. So please ask any other questions if you have. We can consider this session as a question to answer session. Please utilize. So because I ran into some problem while opening the var file. Previously it is a proper one only, but unfortunately I have opened this with PDF format. So that's why it is taking always a PDF only. So please. Unfortunately, I feel after adding new test automation code, what will be the next step? So after adding new test automation code, for example, if you done with your scripting part, okay, so the next step will be the execution part. Okay, so the next step will be the execution part. So based upon the execution only, you will get to know how many test cases got passed or how many test methods got failed if you are executing one test case. If you are executing more than 5 or 10 test cases, so you will get lots of methods which are failing during that suit level execution. So once if you found any errors or failures during your execution, so we are going to modify the script accordingly. So the next time your scripts are going to be execute properly without having any error. Okay, so this is the prerequisite before going to the next step. Okay, so when all your test case are working fine, the next step will be you are going to push your code to the some local branch, so where you are going to create inside your git repository. Okay, So inside that Git repository, you are going to create one local branch. So then only you are going to push all your completed test cases into that particular local branch. So then what you are going to do, you are telling your lead, so I have completed these many test cases which are working fine, please review all my code and please let me know the review comments. So based upon the review comments, okay, so before going to give the review comments, he needs to review. Who is reviewing? The lead will review all your code. Okay, once he found any things to be changed, he will let you know. Okay, he will let you know. So based upon the review comments, you are going to modify all your scripts again. So again you are going to push the save modified changes to that particular Git repository, the particular branch called as local branch what you have created. Once that is done, your review is going to be happen by your team lead. Once he done with his review code, I mean reviewing part, then he is going to merge these code changes to master branch. Okay, so once your review part is completed, then your lead is going to merge your code into that particular main branch, that is our master branch, where exactly all our project got located, project scripts are got located. Okay, so in that way it is going to be happen, Nani star. Okay, so one second, let me, I am checking in YouTube how to restore your. Yeah, just now I tried something in my machine. Okay, so guys, just now I tried something to open that particular file. So let me close this stream because so I have modified something. You can see here, right? So I have modified something to open this file by defaultly. So it is asking to restart the machine. Okay, it is asking for restarting the machine. Okay, it is asking for restarting the machine. So what I will do, I will restart my machine, and again I will do the stream. Okay, again I will continue with the same stream. Okay, please try to understand. I will come you by 9:15 p.m. whether we are continuing or not. I will give you some confirmation. Okay, I am really very sorry guys to happen about this one. Unfortunately I selected that PDF format. Okay, that's why if you can see here, okay, if you can see here, just now I have downloaded, right? So but still it is showing open file with jenkins.var, means it is accepting jar only. So but I want to open my file with .var extension only. So please try to understand. Okay, before that, if you have any questions also, please let me know. Okay, please let me know from the live chat. I will try it one more time from here. So while opening, choose another app, more apps, look for another app on this PC. What downloads? Jenkins that war open. This app can't run your PC to find it. Check the software publisher. Okay, so please guys, please if you have any other questions, please ask me in the live chat. Add to Jenkins dot show more options. Okay, send to there is on settings, right? Okay, settings, let me check from here. Okay, apps and features, and go to till bottom. It was not there. Search apps Jenkins. No, it is not an app. Okay, so no problem guys, I will come back to you. Okay, so please guys, please try to understand. Unfortunately it converted to .var file, so but it is opening in the form of jar file only. So please try to understand. I will keep this session after 10 minutes. Okay, once if my machine get restarted, I will come to this session again. Please stay online. Okay, thank you so much guys, thank you so much.